Welcome and thank you so much for joining me. So we are going to be looking at writing a rule for a circle. So to start off, I just want you to go back to what we talked about an equation of a circle is. It links onto Pythagoras' theorem. Because any point on the triangle, I can turn it into a triangle and use a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And c squared is being our radius r. So if I'm thinking about that, firstly I'm just going to write that equation. But remember, I'm not going to use a and b. I'm going to be using x squared plus y squared equals radius squared. We already know what the radius is. We know the radius is 6 units. So 6 squared is 36. So I can already rewrite it as x squared plus y squared equals 36. Now I'll rub that off for a minute because I'm going to need this space. So now it's nice and clean. The next thing I want you to think about is the origin, because the center of our circle. So at the moment, we know our circle, our center is x2 and -5. So our circle is right there. So I know that we've got 6 units. So it's going to go all the way down there. And we've got a massive big circle. So the first thing I would like you to think about is how have we moved it? How have we moved it from where the origin is at the axis? And that's the main thing that I focus on. So I'm writing the equation. I'm just leaving a space because we've always got takeaway there. It does change. Just remember, if we move it over to the positive, that means we're taking that away. So let's have a look. So we have so far we have moved it from here over to 2. So we're taking 2. We have moved our origin down to -5. So we're going to take -5. And I can rewrite that because a negative and negative equals a positive. So I've got x take 2 squared plus y plus 5 squared equals 36. Just to confirm, let's pick a spot. So I'm going to pick when x is 2. What will y be? So let's have a look. If x is 2, 2 take 2 equals 0. 0 squared plus I've got y plus 5, so y plus 5 squared equals 36. Now I can simplify that because I'm going to take the square root over, so it's going to end up being the square root of 36, which equals 6. I take the 5 over to the other side, 6 take 5 equals 1. So y will equal 1. Now let's double check that because I'm looking at this one up here at the moment. So at the moment it says y equals 1, 5, 6. So that is correct. So I've just proven one of the spots on my circle. So I just want you to make sure and remember that when we're taking about the equation of a circle, we're just thinking about x squared plus y squared equals r squared. And that helps us to work it out. Really hope that helps you understand how to write the rule for a circle.